Hey, hey folks, how you doing? We're here. We're on top of Kingston, guys. Check out the view. Check out my balcony. Check out my balcony, guys. It's rich. It's real rich. So guys, we're here in Kingston, Jamaica. We are on the delivery trail. As you know, we are your friendly neighborhood shipping company that delivers your package to your doorstep if you're at home or if you're at work. We will take it to you here at work and deliver it to you. We're on Chisholm Avenue, guys. We're making a delivery. And we found this nice, beautiful spot on top of the roof where it looks like a chill spot. Look like it's ready for your dance. I don't know, promoters, if you're not looking somewhere, we're here. We know the locations, just link us up. We're here enjoying the view and delivering your packages, guys. You should see a link somewhere here on the screen, or if you look in the description box below this video or beside this video, click on that link, guys. Join us today. Have us ship your packages from overseas and get them delivered to you here in Jamaica to your doorstep. All right? So go ahead, guys, do it right now. Don't wait till later. Don't wait till tomorrow. Do it right now. And why would you want to ship with us? Why would you want to sign up? Because we're going to give you a free shipping coupon to try us out for free. So guys, the first item that you ship with us under £5, ship for free. All right, no shipping charges for every customer. For every new customer, let me correct it, for every new customer, right? So it doesn't matter if you join us now, little later on, or tomorrow. I'd rather you join us now though. You're gonna get to ship your first item under £5 absolutely free. And we're going to throw in a bonus. We're going to give you 4 free shipping coupons per year. Yep, you heard me right. We're going to give you 3 coupons. We're going to give you 1 coupon every 3 months, right? So you get to ship 4 times per year with us absolutely free. Alright guys, so catch you guys later. We're back on the delivery trail. See you later, guys. Take care of yourself. Bye from on top of Kingston City, Jamaica.